Check out the volcano for here. When we came in this morning we went to this ride up here. It was called Oh No, but it wasn't really the best. Aye, it was not like came out like a bullet. And then we've got a wee return time here to go on the roller coaster again because that was brilliant. I'm going to try and show you as much as I can today. We're going to actually go to the fast laser river. Now we'll take it from there. Just where we came in there, and down there's our locker room, and then just here is the volcano. We're just going to walk down through the beach and hopefully we're going to get some waves. Natalie's just on the other side of this, I think. Oh, here she is here, just waiting on me. I've got these on the GoPro, so apologies if the audio's not the greatest. Obviously you can't take your normal phone around here, but how cool does the volcano look?
So beautiful.
How cool does the volcano look? And if you look up here, you can see the slide going through the middle of it. And you see people come down in the distance, but as the waves on, oh! We need to go to the lazy river so we can see what the waves are like in the lazy river. That volcano is impressive, by the way. Didn't see it, so I didn't catch it, but oh no, that was that noise was. So we'll check it out. When you hear that big torpedo, somebody's coming down and I'll come out here. Hopefully it happens soonish. Keep our eyes peeled at the top of that volcano. I don't know how much you will be able to see because we are so far away, but hopefully when the trap door opens up in that red chute, well, you'll hear it hopefully, then you'll be able to see it.
It looks similar to the one at Diane Park.
It does, doesn't it? Apart from it's got like a trap door. Oh, there comes somebody. Oh. So from the wave pool where we are, if we just have a wee look here to the right, you'll get to see Cabana Bay Hotel just here. How awesome is that? You can ask for a volcano room as well. Then if we go over here, you get Cabana Bay here, and I think that's either Cabana Bay or Aventura.
That's still Cabana Bay.
That's still Cabana Bay. You can't see Aventura from here, but it looks cool, doesn't it? It's a cracking theme park. Oh, sorry, water park. So we just sat down for some lunch at Volcano Bay, and I think I got the Kahula burger, or Kahula burger. Does look quite good. And Natalie went for the curry. And the price for the two of them was, I think it was $36.19, and that's with no juice or anything. 3 frogs on the bridge are quality. This is where we're going to go down that lazy river. The Fearless one. Hopefully it's going to be crazy. Natalie's been buzzing to go down it all day. So we need to go and get ourselves a life jacket before getting on. That's how fearless it is. Look grand. Oh, aye, 20 minutes and we get back on the roller coaster again. It's actually not too bad, isn't it? Like, warm wise. There we go, we're in. Come and get me. I think I might have got one just a wee bit too big because I'm like falling out it. I can't. Yeah, that's a wee bit better, but I'm still sort of falling out it. I should have went a wee bit tighter. We've got a while to kill anyway. We'll get 20 minutes before we get our next roller coaster ride. Ah, I can't get comfy. Natalie's is alright. She's got the right one to fit. I've got like a lot of air room in mine, as you can see. Can't quite get situated. That's the best I could do.
You're dead.
I need
Oh,
a,
you're about to get ripped off.
need a smaller one. I'll show you some of this just above us, some of the rides. I think we went on the blue one this morning, didn't we?
Yeah.
That was quite cool actually.
I think we went on both. Yeah, we went on both.
Yeah, we went on both of them. Aye, this like jacket story really worked for me. Look at this, Natalie. And this way's actually better than the other way.
You know, you can just stand up.
There's no fun in just standing up. I know, but there's no fun in that. Natalie's showing off by standing up. There's no fun in that. Ah. Hello.
Hi there. This is my favourite thing to do.
Yeah, she's been pestering me for ages today to go into this.
Every bridge we cross over.
Aye.
Hey, there's that lazy river. There's that lazy river. Oh, I wonder if we'll get a chance to go on the lazy river.
And we obviously did. Going up behind us here. 2 seconds, sorry. So this one here is the roller coaster one that we're waiting on, and it's absolutely amazing. You can see like the sort of drop here, and then oh no, that's the last drop, sorry. So there are the first bit's over here. That's cool. It starts up there, takes you down, up through the volcano. And there's a couple of slides actually in the volcano as well, which is good. So we'll go and get them done as well, but we might not get them done today, it might be next time, and we'll do this over 2 days. So here's just to show you inside the volcano with that crazy water ride. Pretty cool, isn't it? That's a water coaster. And then obviously you get the ones in the background and they are drop slides. But you definitely need to do the tapu tapu, these things here. Brilliant. We've only had to use it once today, well twice technically. You tap in at the ride, it gives you a wait time, and then that's you. You can just go and chill out, do whatever you want. We went and got our dinner, and our lunch, sorry. But yeah, so far it's been a cracking day. I've absolutely loved it. Just to show you the other options that are available at Volcano Bay, I got the chicken tacos. They look pretty good. And how much were they?
$12.49.
That's good. And then Natalie got a katsu bowl, and it's vegan, but it's also gluten free. And how much is that?
$16.99.
That's not bad. We're going to go through the volcano. It's very loud here, I hope you can hear me. Sorry about the screen, it's a bit wet. Cracking wee view here as well. Oh, look at this, man. We're going under, on you go. That's cool, isn't it? It's so loud in here. Oh, get a wee bit here. Oh, look at that. You can control this. If there was anybody there, we could soak them with this. So we're just going to go up here. A wee tapu right here. There was a bit back there where you could do, you could squish people. But there was nobody there. was being my tour guide a minute ago to a guy looking for the chutes that are actually inside the volcano while they're up the top. He was from America, didn't understand one word that I said. That's happened actually quite a few times. I don't think so. There's a wee tapu bit here. Just like chimes. That's the aqua coaster that we were on. And then I think we just got down the other side here. Yeah, so as I was saying, we were talking to two guys that says to me, "I love your sleeve." I was trying to explain to them that one was a Kill Switch Engage singer, Jesse Leach, and he thought it was me, and then he couldn't understand a word I was saying. Go into this lazy river here, which is the one where you get the rubber rings. Oh sorry, it's the winding river, but it's basically lazy. The other one was a wee bit more fearsome, as they call it. So you just need to grab any one of these here and then laugh at Natalie to try to get into them. Oh, you cheeky. That's the easiest way to do it. Yep. Ah, it didn't work, you're not letting you yet. Near him, ah. Right. There you go, you're in. Right, hold on, I'm going to see if I can get in. There we go. We're in. Natalie's been buzzing today, do this all day. So she's away in the distance. So I used to go in lazy rivers and then just run away from me basically. Just sit in a lazy river all day. As long as you don't get sprayed. Yeah? We've been here all the time. Hold on, don't know what time I'm going. 2 seconds. I'll get you on the other side. Goodbye now. This is seriously like her happy place. Just look at her go, turning and turning. Whereas I'd prefer to be on some of the rides. But, compromise. No. Right, you on this. The funny thing is, I don't know if you can see the now, you probably can, but it's raining the now. And there's like people running for cover. I know, which is weird. Look, you can Cabana Bay, see you get a room up there and you can just be looking into the lazy river all day. That's cool, isn't it? Aye, people were saying that they're going to get soaked and all that, and I'm thinking, you're already in a water park, why are you mad? You can see over there, the people on the bridge are activating that wee cannon to soak people. I don't know if it's cold water or not. I'm now going into the cave. She's trying to get me soaked. This is a cool bridge. cool, isn't it? You going? See you later. I was saying that, like, it's weird, you're sitting in a water park, but your brain's telling you, oh no, it's wet. Some people are genuinely running for cover, but you're already soaking anyway. Round 2, oh it's roasting man. Because that rain was very, very cold. I think I see a bit of a better one, eh? It's a better fit, aye. Still can't really float in it, mind you, but it's a better fit. Oh no! You've got there? Stop, that was cool, man. Try to float. A wee bit better. So you can float alright.